themselves tonight. They've managed to keep red coated and but he'll go back to his normal, horrible, spiteful, nasty self next week, no doubt. He's actually no fun this week. I think he's actually gone home. So they're actually coming down now into the town to support in cars. That's the way they're doing things now. Holding up the traffic. So when you're stuck in rush hour traffic, people, this is why you're stuck in rush hour traffic. So you've got backed up traffic down there, all the way around Waterloo Way, probably all the way down to St George's. And all because of these idiots here.